What we try to do is to promote and to help to promote young, talented artists. And of course, the better are the finalists, the better is the winner. You have a very tough mission, which is to select one of them.
Le prix Canson est très important pour Canson, qui a été créé en 1557 par la famille Montgolfier et qui a toujours eu un lien très fort avec les artistes. Le prix Canson poursuit cette tradition de lien très fort avec les artistes puisqu'il récompense un artiste qui travaille de façon remarquable avec le papier. Alors nous avons signé un partenariat avec le Palais de Tokyo cette année pour plusieurs raisons. La première, nous n'avions jamais remis le prix dans un institut qui, comme le Palais de Tokyo, célèbre l'art contemporain, sa diversité, et nous sommes un prix d'art contemporain.
In my drawing, what I'm always trying to do is find some kind of crux where sort of spontaneity and presentness and layers sort of intersect, or maybe all happen in this kind of very, very thin space.
What he uses drawings as a starting point for a project, and so once the drawing has been made, he actually starts constructing the project, the installation, the large sculptures, and once they exist in the studio environment, which is a mobile studio, he will photograph those works in progress and draw on them.
I started to work on a pre-existing situations, you know, like a picture which I found it from YouTube, the ones, you know, from media, which are all, you know, kind of intruders to our life, daily life, and kind of controlling the moods.
My medium is life. That's why I like to say, because I practice in various mediums, whatever comes to me and whatever I feel comfortable at the time.
Trisha Donnelly, elle est comme une radiesthésiste. Elle utilise tout un tas de médiums différents, donc médium au sens dessin, photo, sculpture, vidéo. Mais en fait, c'est elle le médium.
It's a really difficult decision. The 5 artists, I think, are all really wonderful artists, and they all have really different work and very different interests in drawing and different relationships to paper.
In the end, we came up with sort of one name rose to the top, and we are all very happy with the decision that we came to.
Et cette année, on a presque 5 artistes qui travaillent tous en relation avec la sculpture. Je dirais que David Mulgrave est à la fois sculpteur et à la fois dessinateur. Mitu Sen est à la fois sculptrice et dessinatrice. Trisha Donnelly utilise aussi bien la vidéo, le dessin, l'installation, enfin tout un corpus d'œuvres dans lequel viennent à chaque fois se loger le dessin comme une des composantes de leur création. Et on sait bien par exemple que les frères Rockne Aritzadeh, c'est exactement la même chose.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Canson Foundation for Art and Paper, the Fonds Canson pour l'art et le papier, I'm very pleased to welcome you in the Palais de Tokyo for the 5th edition of the Prix Canson.
Canson Fund for Art and Paper ambition is not only to provide a unique paper to artists, but also to promote their work and to contribute to give them visibility. We do work to make Canson Award international reference. We already prepare the 2016 ceremony, which will take place in the famous Drawing Center in New York.
The winner is a fantastic artist who has a relation to paper which is beautiful, who is also a sculptor. The winner is from Argentina, Adrián Villar Rojas.